All right, what is up, y'all? I want to take a moment and show you how to access courses both from a PC and on your phone, and specifically how to navigate between the course curriculum and the modules and the course activity feed. All right, so first, starting with the PC, we'll come over here to courses, and since most of us are in this October holiday preset, we'll use this as an example. The default view here is the outline, which is basically the course curriculum. Now you'll notice over to the left here we also have activity feed. So just like we do in our main feed, we have an activity feed specific to this course. So anything that we post in this activity feed, we can do a quick post, we can do an article. Anything that we post in this activity feed is going to show up in this course. We also have a group chat, so you can message people within this course. All right, so that's pretty simple. Now to get back out of this, you'll notice the colors are specific to the course that you're in. If we come back, we'll come back into the courses here, and then to get back to the main feed, then we just click on the SHT symbol up here, or click on home. Either one of those will work, okay? So to show you how that works on a phone, if I come on the phone and I click on these three lines at the top left, then I should see my menu that I would see on the PC, and I can come over here to courses. And if I come into courses, into the October holiday preset, again, the default view here is going to be the curriculum. So I have all the different curriculum here. And then what I can do is come back up to these three lines. Now I'm in the October holiday preset. I can come to the activity feed. I can come to the list of members, or I can go back to the course curriculum. And then if I want to get out of this and go back to the main feed, I would come up here to the top left, back to network. I'd click this arrow one more time, and then I could hit home, and it would take me to the main activity feed. Okay, now any posts related to a course that you're in are going to show up in your main feed, and it will be specific to that course. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please just let me know.